Oh my girl. Oh my girl.
Hey guys, it's TMX. I'm Taylor.
And I'm Macey.
And we are here for Oh My Girl's Windy Day. Now you may be thinking, why are you doing an older song when it's already past? But Macey has heard the song before.
Yeah,
so.
I've heard this song before and I've seen it live kind of thing, but I've never seen the music video.
And I haven't heard it. So.
And I like this song.
Your voice is going.
I know.
Anyways, so...
I like this song.
Yeah.
And that's kind of weird because there's only certain girl group songs I really like, and I like this one.
Okay. Let's go.
I don't know. Shouldn't be. They're like all younger than me.
멀리서 널 닮은 바람이 일어 불어와 내게 흘러 진짜로 소중한 것은 보이지 않는데 따스한 온도 부드러운 촉감 사랑인 걸까 내게 온 걸까 내 맘이 하루 종일 안도는 심승서서하던 이러려고 그랬던가 나의 마음 한쪽에 웅크렸던 감정이 깊은 잠에서 깨어났어 너를 생각하면 흔들리는 나무들과 너를 볼 때마다 돌아가는 바람개비 이런 내가 너를 많이 좋아했는지 너 어쩔 수가 없어 You 얼굴에
What? Okay then. Good. I thought she kind of shot at somebody. I guess.
부드러운 바람 봄이 온 걸까 내게 온 걸까 내 맘이 하루 종일 안도는 싱숭생숭하더니 이러려고 그랬던가 나의 마음 한쪽에 웅크렸던 감정이 깊은 잠에서 깨어났어 너를 생각하면 흔들리는 나무들과 너를 볼 때마다 돌아가는
I
You what?
Which is
She's
so
very
lost.
directionally challenged.
So lost. Yeah, you get scared when you're shy.
I wonder how much it's though. I mean, yeah, but I mean, you're blasted with wind.
내 맘이 하루 종일 안도는 싱숭생숭하더니 이러려고 그랬던가 나의 마음 한쪽에 웅크렸던 감정이 깊은 잠에서 깨어났어 너를 생각하면 흔들리는 나무들과 너를 볼 때마다 돌아가는 바람개비 이런 내가 너를 많이 좋아했는지 너 어쩔 수가 없어 You 얼굴에
Because I wasn't confused before.
Seriously. So they were deer?
I guess. Okay, that's interesting.
Not the weirdest video I've ever seen.
Yeah, because that's a long way. I think Big Bang's the one that. But that was interesting. I mean, I knew I'd like the song.
Yeah.
Yes, I've heard the song.
As far as the song, it was really interesting because usually whenever they pick it back up, they keep it the speed up, but it like still went slow and then fast. And I mean, it was. I really liked the background.
I like the chorus. But
Yeah.
I liked that a lot. I think that's kind of what attracted me
Like
to
the
it, I
bass
guess.
line and everything
Yeah.
was really
I
cool.
really liked that because I don't really hear that very much.
Yeah, it's usually like all electronic kind of
Yeah,
sounds.
I just like that a lot. I guess that might be what
It
caught my
sounded
attention.
more authentic.
I just really
But
liked
that
it.
music video
I
was
was
just
beyond
weird.
weird. At first, it was just like, oh, these are some girls hanging out,
and
having
then
tea,
bang, there's some
picking
wind.
flowers, and there's some wind. It's back to normal, and then
Yeah.
they're in a box. Not in a box, but they open the box, and it gets weird again.
More wind, and then there's the mirror.
I think they're deer.
Yeah,
Running from a car?
and something else.
Yeah.
I don't get why
Maybe.
they're supposed to be deer.
Or why they're running? I get why they're running. You don't want to get hit by a car.
Confusion. That's all we got.
Yeah, so I like the song.
Yeah. So I guess that's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to
Like, comment, subscribe to our social media.
bye, guys.
Bye.